Sa ibang balita, hinatid na ng advocacy groups ang kanilang petisyon sa mga konsulado ng Pilipinas sa Canada para sa immediate release ng Filipino-American community organizer na si Chantal Anicoche. Nang ito'y maihatid din sa tanggapan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas at ng Philippine Department of Foreign Affairs. May report si Teresa Redula.
We hope that they, act, accordingly and release Chantal safely.
Mahigit 700 lagda mula iba't ibang bahagi ng Canada ang nalikom ng advocacy group sa bansa. Ito ang kanilang inihatid sa mga konsulado ng Pilipinas sa Canada Lunes at nanawagan ng immediate release ni Filipino-American community organizer Chantal Anicoche.
I think there's been, some rhetoric in the media that the AFP has said that there's no need to be concerned about her safety, but that's hard to trust because there is a precedence of past activists and being abducted and not being treated like fairly, like undergoing like harassment, torture.
Sa pagpupulong ng mga grupong bayan, Migrante, Malaya Movement at International Coalition for Human Rights in the Philippines, kasama ang mga konsul, inahayagang malalalim na pagkabahala para sa kaligtasan at kalagayan ni Anicoche, isang araw matapos ang isinagawang community vigil sa Toronto.
This is really important for Filipino Canadians because we know that we care about our kababayans in the Philippines. We encourage Filipinos here to go to the Philippines to investigate the conditions of our motherlands. So for Filipino Canadians, our role is to really show international solidarity with our kababayans in the Philippines.
Pero sa social media ng 2nd Infantry Division ng Philippine Army, sinagip daw at binigyan ng medical attention ang 24-year-old noong January 8 nang matagpuan siya malapit sa lugar ng engkwentro ng militar at New People's Army noong January 1 sa Abra de Ilog Occidental, Mindoro. Nilagdaan din daw ni Anicoche ang undertaking na inihayag ang kanyang intensyon para manatili sa 2ID Station Hospital. Nabuluntaryo raw at may presensya ng independent third-party lawyer.
Dito naman sa 2ID, we honor that undertaking because the Army is always on the side of human rights. No? We put primacy on the rights of a human.
Itinanggi rin ng 2ID ang mga pahayag na dinetine raw nila si Anicoche.
Hindi nga siya detained. Ano siya? Patient siya. So pag okay na siya, hindi natin siya kayang i-hold. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-hold.
Patuloy daw na mananawagan ng advocacy group sa immediate release ni Anicoche.
There's many videos online now that I recommend watching where Chantal talks about how, she really wanted to reconnect with her culture and also like learn more about her history. I think a lot of Filipino youth in the diaspora can see themselves in Chantal's story.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.